Refugee, pages 236 through 284, quiz number 7. First, type your first name in the box here. Next, type your last name in the box here. Now you will select your cycle number. Choose the best answer for each question below. Number 1. What was the mood of the adult passengers of the St. Louis while they cruised the American coast? Sad and somber, happy and joyful, or envious? Number 2. The passengers aboard the St. Louis were allowed to disembark, which means to leave, the ship in America. True or false? Number 3. How did Isabel and Amara save the boat from going under the water? They bailed enough water to allow the boat to float. They removed the engine from the boat, or they got everyone off the boat. Number 4. Which of the following did not happen during the taxi ride to Hungary, which is in Mahmoud's storyline? Mahmoud's family had a gun pointed at them. Mahmoud's family was robbed, or Mahmoud's father was forced to drive the taxi. Number 5. How did the Hungarians feel about the refugees from Syria coming into their country? They welcomed them with open arms. They were building a wall to keep them out, or they were hesitant to let them in but wanted to help. Number 6. What was Joseph and the other passengers' plan to keep the ship from returning to Germany? They were going to jump from the ship into the water and swim to the U.S. They were going to steer the ship back to Cuba, or they were going to overthrow the captain and his crew. Number 7. Isabel's mother states, "Geraldo," Mommy said again. "It started." What is she referring to? The family is going back to Cuba. Their new life in America has started. Or her labor has started. Number 8. What caused Mahmoud's pain at the Hungarian border? He was beaten by a soldier, he was in pain from hunger, or he had tear gas in his eyes. Number 9. How many days and nights would Joseph and the remainder of the passengers have spent on the boat when they disembarked, left the ship, on June 21st? 20 days and 20 nights? 30 days and 30 nights? Or 40 days and 40 nights? And number 10, who sacrificed him or herself to allow Isabel and the rest of the group to reach the Miami coast? Ivan, Isabel's father, or Lito, Isabel's grandfather?